Well, good awning everyone. Yes, you heard me right, good awning. I'm underneath my awning in the sun, relaxing. But what I've got to tell you is, it was one of the worst jobs I've had to do on the van, yeah. So here it is, a Fiamma F45s. So I'm just going to rewind it back now and tell you how it all started. So firstly, I got all these brackets and drilled them onto the awning, spaced them out up there, and then I'm going to take them off again and mount them to the top of the van. So after last night of lining up the brackets and fixing them to the awning, I offered it up and I've matched up all the brackets to where I need to cut them today. So yeah, things are a little bit up in the air at the moment, as you gotta see now. Ooh. So what I've got to do now is, there's me holes there, along there and there, marked all the brackets out. I've got to drill the holes out, put them brackets, nut and bolt and washers inside. So just got to drill them, clean them up, and then they're going to get tiger sealed to the van. Use this step drill bit to get about 6.5 mil. So I'll just test it as I go along. Got to be dead accurate with these as well, because the brackets are set to them. Make sure don't do them too big. Got to be spot on. Just a slight bit more. Yeah, that'll do. Just got another 5 of them to do now. Now I'm just going to clean this with a bit of thinners, and then I'm going to sand it down for a bit of a key, and then we're ready to stick them on. Oh, in fact, no, I've got to prime them holes first so they don't rust. So I'm just going to prime these holes up here, stop it rusting. So while I was waiting for that quick drying primer to go off, having me tea break down in a van, I thought I'd inspect what I'd done so far, and I found this. Right, get my torch out for this one. So, right, I've got to get into there. 2 bolts right behind that. And then I've done some little markers there. 2 bolts up there. And 2 bolts up there. How the hell am I going to get into that with my sausage fingers? So the biscuits of choice with today's cup of tea is the Al malted milk. They're actually copies from Aldi, I think they're called Elk's Classics, but they held up well when dunked as well. Gotta keep your energy up, haven't you? Well, I'm not going to lie, I'm having an absolute pig of a time getting these bolts and nuts together. This is by far the hardest job I've had to do on the van, yeah. So, look at this concoction. I'm having to hold spanners down with tape so I can socket set inside. There's the brackets anyway, so far, nearly done. In here. Let's open this door. Have that to me. Some holes and channels to get access to the bolts, because there's just no way my big fat King Charles sausage fingers are getting in there. Well, that was far from glamorous. It's starting to go dark. Need to get a bit away. But I think tomorrow it will all make sense. So here is the final product. Now it's time for me to go and get my dinner. Right, off to the man cave to get this awning out now. And it's lovely and raining and wet. Not like getting up slippy ladders when you got to do a job. But yeah, let's bang you there a minute. I'll get this awning. Which way round's it gotta be? That way. Take you voyeurs, is it? Along for the ride now. Hi ho, it's off to work I go. So, with a bit of luck, we'll have this hooked on the van. And if the measurements, please, if they're right, then this should just hook on nice and easy. Gotta watch don't scuff this because it's finished in a nice black. So let's just put this down here on these benches I got ready. To spin that.
Is it ready to go?
It is ready to go. Oh, that's the nut there.
Where's the one slipper?
No pressure, but just don't drop this. It costs about 700 quid with the brackets, like. And I don't think the black will scuff nicely.
You've just made them really
nervous
now.
It's not like a tweaky, switchy bum to keep you on your toes.
No pressure.
Right. Do what you want. Yeah, you jump on that black ladder, get the end of that.
Like we done the other day.
Right, this should hook, yeah. See if I turn that on the side there. See this channel here?
Yeah.
That's going to go right on that.
On the bracket?
Yeah. Now, if I get up on the end, I might be able to think I've done a marking on the back here so we know what set of holes it is. Okay.
Yeah. Where does it go into?
No, so we're going to open the awning and then I'm going to throw a bolt through the awning, 3 bolts through the awning, and that should attach it. Let's see what suitable footwear you wear and sliders, I see. Yes, health and safety, love it. Right. Not like wet feet and sliders, John. Right. So, let me just... That is roughly where it is. I'll hook that on like that. Yeah?
Is that on?
That's on, yeah.
Heavy.
Okay.
Do you have to bolt it now?
Now, what I've got to do, I've got to take that, open that up, and then I need to line the holes up. I'm just going to open it up so I can see where the holes are. Just keep an hand by it in case it falls down, you know what I mean? Right, yeah. I'll tell you what, I don't think that's far off. I need to open it a certain distance to be able to get.
What the fuck? Why are these two rocks?
I need to see where the holes are. Once I get the middle one in, I'll tell you what, they're not so far off that, like. See if I can work it out. If I'm correct, then that off my pencil mark on the back should be it. See nothing with that one. Right, here goes. on.
You're in the right place. Oh.
Yeah. Up there.
Yeah, that's me.
Is it there? Oh yeah, that's right on line, I can see it. Haha! Yes! Okay now. I want to make sure this is tight so it doesn't come off and wipe out a young family in their estate car going camping or something. That is sweet. Right, the moment you've not all been waiting for, but I have. Oh yes, it's flying out. Yes. Let's put the legs out now. Just gonna put them legs out.
See what it's like.
Yeah. Oh, that is what I'm talking about. I want to see what it's like fully extended. Apparently you don't let them go out all the way, I was reading. I think putting it away is as easy as this. Festival ready.